Hi and welcome to my channel. Today we're opening this Sakura Story. Not sure exactly what that is. I think I'm guessing either a TV show or a game. Probably both. I opened this box 2 or 3 times, but it's been a while, and I like the cards. Pretty good cards. Remembering only one thing I thought was a little strange, but yeah, you will notice that as I open. But yeah, nice box. Yeah, open on the side. And one hit pack. Yeah, some of you maybe recognize this, the look of the hit pack. Looks the same as, now I can't remember the name, was it Girl Party 6, I think, that have the same. So maybe same company, I'm not sure. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 regular packs. And since I opened this before, I already have packs. So just cut this quick. Don't remember if there is 2 or 3 cards per pack, but yeah, okay. So yeah, 2 cards. Yeah, we'll show you that very different backsides, but that doesn't matter anything, because you can't tell on the backside what the rarity on the front side will be. I will show you when it get to that. So yeah, SR, very glittery, like sandpaper or something. Matte feeling, not quite as sandpaper feel as it looks like, but yeah. And an R, also very glittery in the same texture to the feel of the card. But yeah, very nice cards. And SR. Another SR and a R. So let's see how it is with these ones. Yeah, as you can see, not the same backside. So yeah, not the same. So yeah, and also different, or the same rarity can have, or I mean, different rarities can have the same backside as well. So yeah, a little annoying that way, but yeah. But yeah, it's nice, nice art, I think. Very colorful cards. SSR, yeah, same as the others. Glittery matte card. Whoa. Yeah. Nice bunny card. A bit different, not the same theme to the cards. Yeah, kinda same, but this one not the bunny, but yeah, very, very nice card. Yeah, I'm guessing that must be Ram. Two cards like this. Ah, puzzle pieces. Two puzzle pieces in the same pack. But yeah, they go together. And these ones are foiled and not matte feeling. Yeah, I think I want to complete this puzzle. Yeah, something new, a TP. Yeah, I think this should probably be CP if you look at all other boxes open with when you have the two characters in the same card. Usually is the CP rarity. Very nice card. And let's see what else. A PR. And both, yeah, very, very first cards besides the puzzle pieces, not with the matte and have foiling. This had a lot of foiling, especially the hair. But yeah, I like it when they use foiling just on the lines and not just random all over the cards. This one had also, but a bit less. But yeah, this is also a bit strange. You get two hits in the same pack. Yeah, the same with two puzzle pieces in the same pack. Yeah, I think very, very nice art. Very nice cards, I think. Another rarity, LR. Yeah. Gold foiling hearts and a star. Christmas card, fitting to the season. Let's see what else. A CR. Yeah, they should have switched the cards up a little more, I think. So you get, like, yeah, most others. So you get one of these with one of the hits, but another PR and something new, an MR. Yeah, this thinking about the girl party, I think this kinda also reminds of the girl party, I think. The style to the card. I think I must open one box of girl party soon. A long time since I opened from that also. The last two cards of the normal packs. Let's see, under CR. Yeah, Dark Magician Girl. And a TP. Very, very nice card. And now the hit pack. Let's see. Yeah, different backside. Bit thicker card. Let's see. HSR. Very nice. Yeah, I think they did very good with the foiling on the cards in this set. Yeah, overall, very nice cards. Don't think there was really any card I didn't like, and also not a single duplicate card. So yeah, I really like this box. Not completely sure which my favorite. I think, yeah, these three. Yeah, I think one of these two, probably this one, I think. So what did you think about this box? I hope you like, subscribe, comment, and I see you in the next video. Thank you.